OldSols. It's nice out today. It's gonna be 50. 0 and -3 the last 2 days, and 50 today. Got some weird weather in Nebraska, but I gotta take this opportunity to start on step number 2 of sound dampening. Still have nothing to tell you guys how this sounds, what a difference it's made, but I got the inside here covered, minus that door. I gotta order some more stuff for that door, but I'll get that done eventually. This is a foam dampening product that should be the next layer of my sound dampening. Yeah. Basically, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I get a lot of comments, a lot of opinions, a lot of everything else, whether it be on Reddit or Instagram or YouTube. But supposedly, this is supposed to go in next. And then there's another layer that I am not going to do. I don't think I can get 3 layers in this OldSols and still put everything back on and have it like line up to the holes and whatnot. So I'm going to do one more step. And I'm just going to do the floors, I believe, and maybe up this wall. And that's it. I just don't think I'm going to get the trim back on if I keep loading more layers of this stuff, because this is pretty thick. If you see, unlike the Stinger Roadkill, which is really heavy duty, like mass dampening rubber, this is not. This is really airy. This is really porous. This is really light. This stuff is really heavy. But I'm just going off what you guys have told me. So we're going to see how this lays down on top of what I've already laid down. And hopefully it'll cover the 2 floor pans, because I don't want to have to buy another roll of this, even though it wasn't that expensive. It was like $30. This is from Siless, I think is how you say it. And they're out of Brooklyn. So if you guys want to look them up, you certainly can. I got it off Amazon. It was super easy. Came in one day. Thanks, Amazon. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm just winging it at this point, and we're hoping for the best. So let's get into this. Super easy tools, though, just like last time. You need a good, heavy-duty, sharp pair of scissors, a roller, a heat gun to just, I don't know, kind of melt the adhesive a little bit down better to your existing product. And that's it. You literally roll it out, cut it out, and stick it on. So this is 30 foot, 30 square feet. And that's got to be enough to cover those 2 floor pans, I would think. I don't know. I haven't measured it, but I bet you it's pretty close. So we'll see. That went on super easy. Way easier than the Stinger Roadkill stuff, because it's just foam and it molds really easy. Yeah. And that part covered a really big portion of it. I'm just going to get this done, that done, and that done over there. And then we're going to see how much we have left. And we'll try and sneak some up there, maybe along this right here. But I think that's about it. Then we're going to call it good, because I want to get my carpet back in. I want to get all the trim back in. I want to get both my seats back in. Because I need to get the OldSols over for an oil change. I've owned the OldSols for 3 years. I've only got 1 oil change in it, because I've driven it less than 3,000 miles. Because pretty much the whole time I've had the OldSols, it's been ripped apart. Yeah, it was just I want to get back to driving this thing, especially when it warms up, because I just miss driving it. So okay, so I got the floor pans all done there, and I have a lot left. I don't know. I don't even think I've used half. This stuff, coverage-wise, just how it comes from the company, you get a lot more coverage than the Stinger Roadkill. The Stinger Roadkill, I think, like, here's how wide an actual sheet is, I believe, and it takes a lot more sheets to cover everything. This just, like, I don't know, you get a lot more coverage from this stuff. So I got a ton left. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do like this part. I don't think, so I'm not going to do any of that. But I think I am going to cover this stuff right here. And we'll see how much we have left. So my GoPro died on the other side, but I got the supervisor out here now checking things over, and I got the old trusty shop dog. But this is all that I'm going to do, I think. So I got the whole inside of the floor done in the Del Sol on the passenger side. I'm not going to go any more than that. I don't know. It actually took up quite a bit to do all those sides. And I know these lucid dreams aren't the remedy. Trying to shake you off your bed. And I know I've lost my grip on reality. Oh, but it's real enough for me. I'm in the middle of a night feeling. I need you right next to me. And I'll admit it myself, but to fall in love with fantasy. All right, there. I think I'm done. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I got about a quarter of the roll left, I think, so that stuff works great. Really good coverage, sticks really good. Way easier to install than the Stinger Roadkill, but maybe it's because I have the Stinger Roadkill down first and it just sticks easy to that. But yeah, I got all of this, all of that, all down there, all along this side, all under there. I think that'll be good. I think we're calling it good. I've spent too much time and too much money on this. I think we're done. So now I get to put the carpet back in, which I'm so excited for. So pumped. Yeah, and all the trim. So, okay. Until next time, guys. Peace.